Don't waste your time listening to crappy headphones. You deserve better than what's in the box. With the Clarity HD headphones, listen your way, Bluetooth, analog, or digital. Find yours at PLUGHITZLive.com/monster.
Alante here again with PLUGHITZLive.com, a part of the Tech Podcast Network. I'm here with the lovely Chris from the corporation Catalyst, and we're here to talk about some waterproof casing for a couple of smart devices, correct?
Right, and there's so much more than waterproof. Catalyst truly makes the finest all-around 360 protection solution on the market. We are by far the most waterproof solution for your iPhones, your Apple Watches, and your iPads. And with the new generation, the 7, 7 Plus, and Apple Series Watch 2, we've actually doubled the waterproof rating from our last series of products. And for the it's double the waterproof of the naked device. So our cases, our phone cases, are now 33 feet waterproof, tested every unit out of the factory, and our cases are 330 feet waterproof, tested every unit out of the factory. That's a really big deal for a number of reasons, but the bottom line is it's total protection, and it enables you to do anything you want to do with your device without worrying about it. And that's our goal.
Very beautiful, and and speaking of very beautiful, the design is very aesthetically pleasing. It's not just about function. You've also got style mixed in there.
That's true. That's not by accident. The Apple phones are beautiful devices, and people buy them for colors and for different reasons. We want to be able to allow people to show them off. So the back of the case is completely clear, so you can see the color. It's completely functional. It's lightweight, and they come in really attractive colors. They're simple. They are not too there's not too much going on, if that makes sense. They're simple, they're elegant, they're attractive, and they're rugged. And to have all that in one package is what makes us stand out. We're amazing.
That's an absolute rarity, because I know a lot of them are, rigid, or very, you could cut a melon with them.
Well, the other piece, the other factor that really is a differentiator for us is our acoustic technology. We have proprietary acoustic technology that far exceeds anything else in the industry. So one of the biggest complaints that we get with the category is people go, I don't know if I want to try a waterproof phone because I can't hear out of it. I had one once, I can't hear out of it. You can hear out of ours, and that's because our designer is extremely meticulous, and I'm in PR. I live on my phone. That's my office. If I couldn't hear out of it, I couldn't have a case like this on every day, and I do, and it's I swear by it.
That's absolutely wonderful. If you've got a phone that you can't hear out of, it's not a phone.
Right, absolutely, completely agree. They're also, when you're talking about rugged, military tested drop proof to 6.5 feet. So it doesn't matter if you're at the pool, if you give your kids the phone, they go play with it, they drop it down the stairs. If you're a hiker, you're an outdoors enthusiast, and you're taking it in rough environments, it's really built for everybody to use it, and for it to fit in their adventure, whatever that looks like for them.
Wonderful. And it's not just the phones that have this kind of protection. You go into the tablets and smart watches, correct?
Yeah, smart watches. Again, we increased the waterproof rating to 330 feet waterproof. So now it's completely functional. You can use it when you're diving. You can use it when you're snorkeling. You can use it when you're swimming. You can use it in the shower. So any way you want to use it, you can. And that's what it's about. It's about enabling you to not have to worry about your device, to just have it, love it, and enjoy it, and be able to know that it's going to be okay.
Awesome. And what colors are we looking at for some of the iPhone?
We're pretty simple with our colors, with some additional pop on the older cases. So we have black, we have white, we have gray, with a kind of a green accent and a red accent that we call Rescue Ranger. It's like orange red for
I like
the
that.
6 series. And then the new series is really black and white. I mean, those are our best sellers. People don't come to us for bling. They come to us for total protection, and we give that to them in an attractive case.
Absolutely beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to move on to our next segment, where we talk about more of the technical side, what makes the sound come out of these perfectly functional devices. We'll be right with you. Alante here again. This time I've got Josh of the company Catalyst, and we're here to dive a little further into what makes this the case here. What sets it apart from the other, waterproof cases that are out on the market? So, Josh, what more do we have to talk about with this case you have to show?
Well, let me introduce myself a little bit more. My name is Josh. I'm the co-founder, creative director, and the engineer for all of our products. So, if you want to know details, I'm the guy to ask. Okay? So, we are the most waterproof everyday use case on the market, period. We are 33 feet waterproof. Our Apple Watch cases are 330 feet waterproof.
Beautiful.
And it's really not about specs for us, though. We are absolutely the most waterproof, but there's no good reason to actually take your devices down that deep normally. Our waterproof ratings are all about confidence. Our cases are not fundamentally about protecting your device. Our cases are about enabling you to use your device anywhere. So if you look at Instagram, #CatalystCase, you'll see our customers all over the world, in Iceland, in Hawaii, in all these crazy environments, mountaintops, water park with kids, and it's about that for us. It's about capturing those amazing moments anywhere, and you never have to worry about a device because you can have confidence in how our cases work. So we are extremely precise in how we manufacture our products. That's one reason we can be so waterproof. There's a lot of interesting details about the seal technology. For instance, we use a double seal plug on the bottom. This thing is so bomb-proof, it's ridiculous. But that's not the most important thing. This is a phone, all right? You need to make phone calls. Of course, the camera and everything works great, but the acoustics are something that we're extremely proud of, okay? We have invented an acoustic technology we call it true sound acoustic technology. It is air and watertight, and fundamentally it works with the same principle as your eardrum. So that's why you can scuba dive and go down so deep, because your eardrum is actually fully sealed to air and water. So our acoustic membranes work in the same way. So we have an oversized membrane on this particular port for the microphone. You'll be heard perfectly clear. And actually the entire back and front of the case is an acoustic speaker membrane, so this thing has excellent sound for playing videos and things like that, as well as this really trick feature at the camera. You know there's a little microphone hole between the flash and the camera.
Yes.
Okay? This particular port is clear for your flash and light to work through it, but it's also an oversized membrane, so when you're taking video, it can record from very far away and be super clear as well. And there's so
ingenious.
There's so many details in this case that I could go into, and I hope I don't bore you. But even the
falling asleep now. Joking.
But these are the things that I get excited about. I'm actually, like I said, I'm the co-founder. I use these products. My business partner and I fundamentally founded this company because we were outside all the time, rock climbing, surfing, canyoning, just playing at waterfalls and stuff like that. We wanted to be able to take photos and stay connected no matter where we were. So that's why we founded this company and created these products. So every detail on this is something that I know works. It works for me. My friends use my products. My family uses my products. I know they work because we put them to the test. And I can tell you some crazy stories.
I can imagine. We'll get to that later.
Okay.
But so the whole inspiration behind it is to make sure that your device is as rugged as you and your family are, correct?
That's right. Yeah. My brother and sister, they go ice climbing. They do canyoning as well in Colorado, San Francisco. They're outdoors all the time. My parents has always had us outdoors at the beach as kids. We're total beach bums, So it's just a part of like who we are and what we do. I also come from a family of engineers. So my sister's a biomedical engineer. My brother's a mechanical engineer. Shout out to Alex and Natalie. Hey, what's up?
That's awesome. I mean, your lifestyle is very different from us cave dwellers. I can tell you that much.
I would say Monday through Friday, I'm a cave dweller as well.
Nice.
I do a lot of this, a lot of clicking of the mouse.
Very nice.
It takes a lot to build these products, but we're very proud of them.
That's awesome. Now, one thing I do want to touch on is you guys have a patent on this on the case.
We have a variety of patents actually, and there are air and watertight acoustic membranes have just been granted as a patent, as well as various design patents and utility patents on several of the features, including how the acoustics are routed, our rotational knob on the side. So this is a really trick feature that when you rotate this is what activates the mute toggle on the side.
Nice.
You can see that. Okay, and this is something we've been doing since the iPhone 5 case. It's not a inexpensive way to solve the problem of actuating your mute switch, but it's so fun to use.
Yeah.
When you first get it, you're going to click this back and forth all the time. Don't worry, you won't wear it out. But it turned out really cool from a styling standpoint, because when the Apple Watch came out, we could take the same styling detail for the digital crown, and this thing is so smooth how it operates. Yeah, we're detail-oriented people. We're gear junkies. We love our gear. We're out climbing. I have a whole room in my house that's just my climbing rack, my backpacks. I could go on, okay? But I love gear, and this for me, it's not a phone case. It's a piece of gear to enable you to explore and share your world, unlike anything else.
Absolutely beautiful. Now, I do want to ask a good question here to kind of wrap this up.
All right.
Where can we find these products and more information about these products, and what is the damage for these?
What is the damage? Okay, our newest cases, this one will be $89.99. The iPhone 7 will be $79.99. The Apple Watch is $59.99. You can find the Apple Watch case right now at Best Buy. We're going to be in Best Buy, REI, Target, probably forgetting one, West Marine. We have our full collection in West Marine right now. So, and also you can find us at catalystcase.com. And check us out on Instagram at #CatalystCase.
Absolutely beautiful. Thank you very much, Josh. I appreciate your time. And these guys have great products. Hopefully you definitely visit the site, pick up the stuff, go into Best Buy, everything like that. Well, for all of the CES 2017 coverage and more, stay tuned to PLUGHITZLive.com.